Starting out the look with an E27 brush from Colourpop in the shade Andy from the Natasha Denona Retro palette, and I'm applying this to the outer portion of my eyelid, creating a V shape following the upward slope of my lower lash line. As you can see, it's kind of like a sideways triangle. Next, I'm applying the color above my crease, using little circular motions, blending out the top edge, making the line about the thickness of the brush, and then blending out the V shape or sideways triangle in the outer corner, and then just blending out all of the edges to have a seamless effect. Again, with the E27 brush in the shade Amara, I'm adding depth by applying this tighter into the outer corner and a little bit lower in the crease, blending into the previous shade, dragging into the crease, being careful to blend the two colors together. Next, I'm using an e.l.f. concealer brush and cutting the crease, applying dots above my natural crease and then connecting them, then feathering the concealer downwards, just blending it out, just making sure it's soft, and then I'm going over it with the shade Vivian in the Colourpop E29 brush, packing this all over the lid, applying it to the inner corner and feathering out the edges, having an even application of the shade, and next feathering the shade into the pink in the outer corner by just going over the line so you don't have any harsh lines. Next, with the color Groove and an angled brush from Maven Beauty, I'm following the upward slope of my lower lash line and then dragging it inwards about where the pink eyeshadow stops, and then just filling in the wing, sharpening it up. So I'm drawing an inner corner wing with this Sangria liner, using nude mauve and a Maven Beauty brush on the lower lash line to add some depth on the lower lash line, going in with Ilia Beauty mascara, some false lashes, using lip liner, this is the shade Soar from MAC, and then using Laura Mercier Beige in Time all over the lips. And that's the completed look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the look. Be sure to subscribe down below and hit the notification bell to be notified of the next time I post. And I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!